Hey guys, it's me again, kitten, and I'm gonna make up for being away forever by making 2 videos in a row. And I'm just recording this, and it only takes a few minutes to upload after it's recorded. So yeah, and I'm just erasing these paws, because we don't need them no more. We are doing some paws. I'm going to make a cat that has a nice color scheme with the purple and the white. So, yeah. This is going to add an extra groove of challenge. Oof. That is a bad paw. And doop. That's a doop. And that's another do, and that's their paw. You do a do, then you do another do, and that's another paw. And that's the paws. And do, and another do, and that's a paw. And let me just erase these extra little marks that make them look bad. And there. So now we're just going to add some cute little eyes. Also, you can kind of see my mouse going around the screen, so you know exactly how I'm doing this, so it helps. That's a really heckin' wide eye. Maybe first I should make the nose. How I do that is a line, a line, a line, and finally, that's not exactly the best. Let me try to do a Control V on this. No, I'm just gonna erase it. Let me try that again, except with smaller pen. Maybe like 0.5. Yeah, that sounds good. Tiny details. This is the most important part on a cat to get right. And yeah, that's pretty good. Now I need to put it back up to around what it was. About there. Oh no, I did a bad thing. Yes, I am gonna just, small brush. Too small. Bigger but smaller. I'm gonna be right back when I get the correct size. Alright, I got the shapes done. These done. Okay. So, now that we have all of this done, I may have to make a part 3 episode. I don't want to, but I might have to. But first, let's play around with a bit of color. Maybe a nice brown would suit this. This is one of the best ways. You increase your brush size, and then you just draw on. So I think I'm going to have to save the coloring to the next episode. So I'll see you later, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay safe, my cookie crumbles. Bye-bye!